Another study that we have provided a small amount of funding for, but it's part of a much larger study, is a study from Dr. Shields in Australia. And this study is focused on improving muscle strength and muscle mass in people with PWS. So the story behind this is Dr. Shields submitted a grant to FPWR that was well received. And at the same time, she submitted a larger grant to her government agency. And it turned out that the government agency funded the grant for a lot more money than we could, which was great. But in talking with Dr. Shields, what we decided to do was that FPWR would provide a small amount of support also for this project. So let me talk about the project first. Dr. Shields has shown, and others have shown, that we know that individuals with PWS have muscles that are smaller and weaker than typically developing individuals. And she is a physiotherapist, and she's shown that in a small study of individuals with PWS that you can increase muscle mass and strength through a progressive strength training program. And so her goal in this larger study is to expand that and use a randomized controlled trial of progressive strength training in PWS to see if that improves strength, function, and participation, general activity in the community in individuals with PWS. And an important thing from our standpoint is that she is looking to develop online resources that can be shared with the entire PWS community. So these would be things that you could take to your personal physiotherapist or trainer to optimize strength training in PWS. So we're excited about this study because what we decided to do, as I mentioned, is just provide a small amount of support. The Australian government is providing a large amount of funding for a large 3-year study. But our funding, along with we're partnering also with the Prader-Willi Research Foundation of Australia, will go towards giving additional funds to a PhD student so that they can be trained in this and that they can contribute to this study. So just participating in this, we've had conversations with Dr. Shields. She's really interested in making sure that the resources that they develop are really optimized for use. So we'd love to continue those conversations and be involved in this project. We're really excited about contributing and participating in the development of an evidence-based strength training program for people with PWS.